All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's and this week's Wednesday adjectives. So big, big, large, huge. This is a big desk. That is a big elephant. Yeah. This is a big book. Yeah. I have a big pile of books. I have a big pile of books here that all need reading. All these books, and there's more. There's more. A big pile of books. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Okay. So, we have a big house. I grew up in a big house. I'm buying a big pile of books. Yeah. I'm going to buy that big book. That big book is cool. Yeah, I'll take that. Definitely, yeah. How cool is that? So, we could say then, I am big. It is big. She is big. He is big. They are big. They, it, she, I, they. I am, it is, she, they. Okay. You are big. There we are. Okay, alright, okay. So, I am a big person. I am tall. I am tall. Tall. It is a big car. It has plenty of room. Plenty of room. Yeah. She is a big author. Everyone knows her. Everyone knows her. And he is a big runner. Yeah, big actor. Yeah, he is in a lot of films. That they are a big crowd of people. Yeah. And you are a big fan of my work. Yeah, you are a big fan of my work. You really like my work. Yeah. Yeah. So we could then say, those were big movements, big changes. Yeah, big movements and big changes. Yeah, a lot of things happened. Yeah. How cool is that? I'm planning a lot of big content and playlists. Yes. I'm recording a lot of big playlists. I have a big pile of videos that I need to record. Yes. A big pile of videos. Yeah. So many. How cool is that? How cool is that? Big things are coming this way in the future. Yeah. Yeah, I will be recording some big videos in the coming days and weeks for here. Yeah. A big pile and a big list. I have a big list of ideas. And they will be recorded. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, how cool is that? So I am big, it is big, she is big, he is big, they are big, you are big. Yeah. So can you use big in a sentence? Comment below, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. More videos and content to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. When you search for English with Adrian, and you can find me on Udemy when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.